Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 79. ONEUL. ONEUL. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is O and the second syllable is NUL. Again, ONEUL. ONEUL. Again, our word for today is ONEUL. This is an adverb of time which means today. Again, ONEUL means today. How do we write ONEUL in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable O, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an O character. And then for the second syllable NUL, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an character followed by a real character. And in order to write ONEUL, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. Again, shown here is the spelling for the syllable O and the spelling for the syllable NUL. And we just need to combine these two to form the Hangul of ONEUL. And with that, you've just learned ONEUL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 69 to 78. But don't forget our word for today, word number 79, it's ONEUL, which means today. The first word for our review is 일어나. This is used to say wake up or get up. The next word for our review is 오다. This is a verb which means to come. Next word for our review is 언제, and this is used to ask when. The next word for our review is 누나. This is a term for sister used by a younger brother. Next word is 언니. This is another term for sister used by a younger sister. The next word for our review is 형. This is a term for brother used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother used by a younger sister. Next word is 어머니, and this is the Korean term for mother. Next word for our review is 아버지. This is a Korean term for father. And the last word for our review is word number 69, 나중에, which means later. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.